Number 22. A flagpole is perpendicular to the ground. So let me draw that. Here's the pole. Whoa, not the pole. Let's try that again. Here's the flagpole, and here's the ground. And when it says it's perpendicular, that just means the flagpole is not leaning. There is a 90-degree angle to the ground. A 50-foot rope is attached to the top of the flagpole and to the ground 30 feet from the base of the flagpole. So this is 30 feet. And here is the rope. Here is the pole. And here is the question. How tall in feet is the flagpole? So we're looking for this dimension right here. And because this is a 90-degree angle, because it's perpendicular, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. And I can't remember if the formula sheet gives me that or not, so let's just check. I don't think it does, but it might. No, it does not. So this is one that you would need to have memorized. Right there. And the Pythagorean theorem works with a right triangle, and it says a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And c is always across from the right angle. So this is c. In this case, c is the rope. And A and B are interchangeable. I usually like to let this be B because I think of base, but it doesn't have to be. You can swap A and B, doesn't matter. So here comes the math. I do not know A. I'm going to let that stay right there. But I do know B is 30. And I do know C because they told us that the rope is 50 feet. I forgot to write that in there. So the C is 50 feet. And then we still have our A squared that we're trying to find. That's the variable. So let's do some math. We have 30 times 30. That is 3 3s are 9 with 2 zeros. And then we have 50 times 50. That's not 2 5s, 5 5s. 25 and 2 zeros. And then, of course, we still have our a squared, our plus sign, and our equals. So now we have a squared plus 900 equals 2,500. So I'm going to move that 900 over to the constant side of the problem and cancel. So I'm left with a squared equals 15 minus 9 is 1,600. And then I need to take the square root of both sides. That means that A is 40. And to do that on the calculator, the square root part, I won't do it all. You can do this on your calculator by putting in all clear, 1,600, shift x squared equals. So all clear, 1,600, shift x to the second equals, and let me just do that to be sure. So all clear 1600 shift x2 equals, you don't even have to hit equals, but that's a good habit, is 40, and this is feet. So that flagpole is 40 feet tall. Oops. I have no idea why it went back to that page. It just jumped. Crazy thing. All right, classic math problem, Pythagorean theorem.